First, my mea culpa. I'm sorry it's taken so long to finish this video. Currently, this is not a full video. This is going to be a preview of the payoff of my Black Decker 625 restoration. I'm going to call this done. There's a couple things I haven't done, but for the most part, she's complete. Sandblasted, primed, painted. I even picked up a couple of these grip mates from Craigslist. I got lucky. I picked up another Workmate and one of these miter mates at the same time. I'd love to use the miter mate. I simply don't know how. If anybody has any information, a manual, a video, even some old photos, that would be much appreciated. Put a couple scratches on her here and there, nothing too major, but I went with kind of a deep red finish, something a little bit different than the original finish, and kind of mixed it up. I kept the H-frame silver, but it's not natural silver. I actually had it sandblasted and then I just sprayed on some Rust-Oleum silver. I didn't want the aluminum to oxidize like it had before, so I figured I would just throw some silver paint on it. Not sure what I'm going to do. I've actually picked up 2 more Workmates. This is the nicest of all of them, but not sure if I'm going to pass this down to my daughter when she's old enough, or if I'm just going to use it and abuse it. Anyway, there will be a full video with all the steps I've taken up to this date with this Workmate, and that will come as soon as I learn to use video editing software. So please be patient. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.